Ana National High School here in Davao City, the STEM program or STA track is where young innovators ignite their passion for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Here, curiosity becomes creation and every challenge is an opportunity to lead. Ano, tara? Our program builds critical thinking, hands-on skills, and real-world impact. From STEM Day celebrations to award-winning advocacies and competitions like Fiesta, our students are already making waves. Join a community that empowers you to solve problems that matter, right here in Davao and beyond.
In grade 7, build your base, ask questions, and gather evidence.
Tackle sustainability
And planet protection.
Master logic and patterns.
Microbiology. Discover the microscopic world.
Explore shapes, space, and design.
Design controlled experiment.
Grade 9 turns you into creators.
Statistics. Turn data into decisions.
Build, code, and automate intelligent systems.
STEM here makes learning feel like an adventure. STEM pushes us to try harder.
STEM at SANHS prepared us for big things. We are ready for the future.
If you want to engage, explore, and experience true innovation, the STEM program at Santa Ana National High School is your path. Enroll now. Become part of our story of success. Your future starts here.